Can't remember if we've ever seen a power shift this fast, but all this naughty talk I thought was just gas stuff. Now that Voxy muscles are flexed,
so I've had a stroke of luck, it's true, but I'm not one to rest on my laurels. What better time to reinforce our crew? Grab an olive branch, go knock on some doors. Why should we keep crossing swords? After all, we're all overlords. You know you wanna be bad with us. Come and make angels mad with us. And ZZ, I hear that heaven has some pretty sex venues. Open a club up, make a hub up, and drop a beat to aim into. Hey, prick and hatchet, best believer game fights are gonna be batshit. With exorcist ways, you can fill heaven with rage. Oh, maestro, I know a tranquil realm where you can rest. Hey, Zestel, there's some old boring shit up there. Books, tea, elder care. Yeah, okay. It's the dawn of a newish me. Come on, join the winning team. Bad with us, so bad with us. Cha-cha-cha.